Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create and use webhooks within PipelinePro. Webhooks allow you to execute specific logic during certain sections or processes, whether in other DCCs or for task automation. Let's get started. To create a webhook in your project, first navigate to the Pipeline drop-down menu and select the Webhooks tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the webhooks already created. If you'd like to add a new one, click on the Add button. Next, assign a name to your webhook and choose its type. Select Post if you want to send information to a logic process, or Get if you need the webhook to act as a callback or trigger for that logic. You can also include a short description for clarity. Once created, your webhook will display all the logic it's currently linked to. If multiple logic processes are associated with it, they'll all appear in a list. You'll also see a button to copy the webhook URL, which you can use later, and an Edit button that lets you modify or delete the webhook. In the Logic section, you can assign the webhook as a trigger. If you've removed a webhook that was already assigned, it will appear as inactive but can be reactivated at any time. To trigger a webhook and its logic, you'll need to import the request library. Using the Post function, pass the URL obtained from the Copy button to call the webhook. If it's a Post webhook, you can also send a JSON file with the necessary information. Here's a practical example. Let's say you're creating a new WIP, work in progress file, for a specific task. The webhook activates, passing the task associated with the new WIP to the logic. This automatically changes the task status from To Do to Work in Progress. To test this, start with a task in To Do. Create a new WIP file and confirm that the logic executed successfully, updating the task status as expected. And that's how you can create and use webhooks in PipelinePro to automate workflows and integrate logic across different tools.